Today, Bob is pulling apart a Graflex 16 projector to see why it's running a bit slow. Right off the hop, there's the most stripped Phillips we've ever seen. Lucky for him, they're pre-loosened so he can just take them off and toss them. This projector has the strangest fiberglass clamshell design. I've read that despite changing owners many times, Telex never changed this weird design. This odd screw caused him some grief. Is it Torx? Or just a stripped Allen key? Why does it stick out? Why does it go through the case but not hold it down? There's an answer. It's an interlock for servicing. It's an odd feature for a device like this, but I've heard these were big in schools. Perhaps that was part of the bid. First things first, the blower fan feels a bit stiff. Gotta replace this cap before the PCBs poison us in our sleep. Once you get in the head of the freaks who designed this thing, taking it apart starts to make sense. The manual calls for a factory projector stand to help disassembly, which we are really missing right now. Bob uses tri-flow bike lube for most light oil applications. It doesn't oxidize the way 3-in-1 does. One time he was servicing an expensive chromatography machine and it came with tri-flow from the factory. Now he's hooked on the stuff. Gotta lube up the cam that advances the film. The manual also recommends cleaning the worm gears and re-lubing them. He was going to take apart the audio cap stand, but she's smooth. Final test. Is the motor spinning at the correct RPM? We're looking for 1725. That's good enough for private sector. As usual, he is putting red Robertsons on this thing. This spectacular projector is destined for some 16mm experiments that have never been done before. Stick around!